Yo, what's going on, guys? Gang, we lit back with another video, and this time we're gonna be doing another type beat video. This time we're gonna be doing a Lil Baby type beat. Lil Baby's one of the newer artists coming out of Atlanta, I believe. So we're gonna make a beat similar to his style. This should be fun because I've never really done a Lil Baby type beat before. So we'll see what I come up with. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to leave comments on videos I should do in the future. I'm always listening, always replying to your comments, so you know what it is. Don't forget to share this with your friends, of course. Share this with your friends. Tell them about Docs Gang. Tell them how lit this is. You know how you do. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications while you're at it. You do not want to miss a video or a live stream because you know how it is. We just always here, man. Uploading all the time. I try to upload every day. I know sometimes I miss some days, but forgive me. I'm trying my best. But also live stream. Don't forget I live stream, and I will be reviewing beats on my live stream. So come to my live stream, send the link to my email, and yeah, I'll be reviewing beats. So, and one last thing, of course, my free sound kit bundle. It's got a whole bunch of sounds in it, midis, Nexus presets, all that. Links in the description. It's completely free. Don't forget, totally free. Download it. Alright, it's free. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see y'all on my computer. Peace. Alright, y'all, back on my computer for this Lil Baby type beat. Now, Lil Baby type beats, his melodies are actually pretty simple. They're never really that complicated, and there's always really heavy bass. So we're gonna try and do something like that. So I'm gonna just hop on Omnisphere, of course. You know how it is. You gotta use Omnisphere. I don't like using anything else, but yeah. Alright, yeah, let's just get a melody real quick. Gotta whip out the space piano because I just like using that. Alright, nice. Okay, so that's the melody. That's the melody right there, and okay, what the hell is this? No. I'm just gonna look for some random. Let me see if I can do this. Let's go. Alright, cool. Nice, we got a melody, finally. Alright, jeez, it took so long to get that melody. Okay. Now I gotta layer this. Let's slow this down, but reverse, or not reverse, but like do this. Let me see if this arpeggio will do anything. Let's get rid of this note. Cause we gotta add that bell. You know, I have bells and those type beats. Nah, fuck this. I don't think this sound is good either. Oh. Yep. We have found our melody. But now I'm gonna add a flute just because I like flutes. Oh my goodness, that took so... That didn't take that long. It's just... Hold on, let me see if this is still recording. It is. Okay, cool. Alright. 13 goddamn minutes to find a damn melody. Wow. Alright, cool. We got 2 now. Okay, time to now mix this properly. Where's the third channel? Okay, delete all these unnecessary things. Okay. Alright, EQ first. Okay, and then reverb. Alright. That's going a little too fast, so I'm going to slow it down. The flute is going too fast. Let's turn this up. Let's use some more Young Kiko from the Young Kiko drum kit. Let's use let's turn it up a little bit more. It's kind of slow. Try this. Sorry I'm not talking a lot. It's just this beat took so long to freaking come up with. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna keep the 808 simple. I don't even care. I hate making it simple, but okay. I don't know why this thing looks so stupid. Cut it. Okay, that. Okay, well I guess Spins 808 is what we're gonna use once again. It's not Spins 808. Okay, you know what? Okay, and what else do we need? I think the clap, that's about it. No, that clap sucks. And there you have it. There is the beat's complete. There's a little baby type beat. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget, comment below on suggestions I can do in the future. You know, I'm always replying to comments. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Tell them about Docs Gang, you know how lit it is over here. Don't forget, you can download my free my free sound kit bundle. Links in the description. It's completely free. Got a whole bunch of sounds in it. You guys are gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. Join Docs Gang. You know how it is. Join the family. We litty. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well, because you know I'm live streaming all the time. And yeah, hope you guys once again enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see y'all next time. Peace.